Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2004 Lexus ES 330? How can you find the right fuse when troubleshooting electrical issues? In this guide, we'll explore the 2004 Lexus ES 330 fuse box diagram and location to help you easily identify and replace fuses. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses and relays that protect and control various vehicle electrical systems. It includes circuits for the engine, cooling fans, headlights, and other key components. Driver's side instrument panel. The driver's side instrument panel features essential vehicle controls, including the fuse box for interior electrical components. It provides access to fuses for lights, power windows, and dashboard electronics. A removable cover protects the fuses and allows easy maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.